So you've decided to take your trading seriously. Now what you need is a broker that's actually built for it. Let me walk you through Stoic FX. The name says it all, trade with discipline. Okay, so over the next few minutes, I'll take you through who they are, how they're set up, what you can trade, and why serious traders are paying attention. Stoic FX was founded back in 2022, and here's the interesting part. It was actually built by traders for traders. Now, the whole reason it exists is that the founders wanted a broker their own peers could actually trust. One whose success is never tied to its clients losing. The principle runs through everything they do. And that's not just a slogan. A lot of brokers quietly profit when you lose. Stoic FX is what's called a book priority, which means your qualifying trades are routed out to real market liquidity. Now, in plain English, they're set up to win alongside you, not against you. Okay, so now execution, the stuff that quietly makes or breaks your results. Stoic FX aggregates pricing from 4 separate liquidity providers and runs an order fill ratio of 99.9%. One of the lowest rejection rates you'll find anywhere. That means tighter pricing, less slippage, and fewer of those frustrating requotes right when you need the fill. Now, of course, none of that actually matters if you can't trust where your money's going. So Stoic FX is regulated by the FSCA in South Africa. On top of that, your money is properly looked after. Client funds are held in segregated accounts with tier 1 banking partners, completely separate from the company's own capital. Now, those accounts are reconciled every single day and independently audited every year. As they put it themselves, transparency isn't a feature, it's the foundation. So let's talk about the actual trading experience. Okay, so everything runs on MetaTrader 5. It's the industry standard platform most traders already know. You get it on your desktop, on your phone, and there's a browser-based web trader too. So you can actually trade with 0 downloads from any device. Same liquidity, same execution, and fully synced across everything. And there's a trading view integration on the way through a partnership with Cypher Trade. But let's go into the details. What can you actually trade? Okay, so you have over 297 instruments across 6 asset classes. You have your forex, which covers your majors, your minors, your exotics, with spreads from just as little as 0 pips. You obviously have your metals like gold and silver, and 18 global indices. You've got energies, including oil and natural gas, and over 170 company shares. Now, not only that, but they also have 33 major cryptocurrencies trading around the clock. Whatever your market, it's fully covered. And then there's an account to match wherever you are in the journey. A commission-free standard account if you're just getting started with that one simple all-in-one spread. A raw spread pro account for active traders who want that tightest spread. And also a swap-free Islamic account for Shahari compliant trading. Not only that, but you also get a free demo account so you can practice with virtual funds before actually risking any of your money. Right, now, here's the feature that really stands out, especially for your experienced traders. Stoic FX offers capital programs with accounts amplified up to 10 times. And the headline is this: no evaluation, no challenges, and no profit splits. If you've ever dealt with a funded or a prop firm model, you'll know that normally means paying for a test, passing those strict rules, then handing over a cut of your profits. This skips all of that, defined risk boundaries, directs that access to real liquidity, and you keep exactly what you make. And with Stoic FX, there are some powerful tools for communities and money managers too. Copy trading lets clients automatically mirror strategies from listed providers straight into their own accounts. And then MAM or MAM software lets a money manager allocate trades across many accounts all at once. Every single provider carries a transparent, fully visible track record, so people can actually see exactly what they're connecting to before they fully commit. And one of the best parts is you're never actually left to figure it out on your own. There's a growing video tutorial library covering everything from your first login onwards, and searchable help center with live chat on every single page. And also to top that is a proper ticketing system. Qualifying partners and larger groups even get a dedicated account manager, one named point of contact, accountable from the start all the way to the finish. Now let's talk about moving money, okay? Because this is where a lot of brokers fall down. Deposits are done by crypto or open banking, land in around 30 minutes with zero fees. Not only that, but you can use your card, Apple Pay and Google Pay. They are fully supported. Withdrawals also go back to your original funding source. Same name accounts only for security, with crypto out in roughly half hour. Clear methods, clear timings and no hidden mechanics. But don't worry, it's not only for you individual traders. Stoic FX has a serious partnership program built for introducing brokers, trading communities, and educators. Transparent, lot-based payouts, a multi-tier structure so you can actually earn as your network grows. You get a dedicated partner portal that tracks everything in real time. So whether you're trading your own account or building a business on top of it, there's a clear path. So there you have it, guys. That is Stoic FX, founded by traders, regulated and expanding, built on real liquidity with capital programs and partnership infrastructure most brokers simply just don't offer. As always, with trading, your capital is at risk and you should do your own research before opening any account. But if you've been looking for a broker that treats discipline as the foundation rather than an afterthought, this one's well worth a closer look. Everything you need is in the link below. Go and see for yourself.